Hi everyone, this is Market Charts CNZ. I try to analyse the markets from a classical charting point of view, and these are my views. There's not any advice or anything like that, so I'm not a registered financial advisor or anything like that, so you should set your own advice as far as trading goes. But anyway, just having a look at where things sit after the first day of the week. It's the 25th of September New Zealand time, so the markets on the 24th for the US. So looking at the S&P here, but looking at the daily chart, we had not a great triangle, but probably gives some sort of account, given the width here, up to I think still just above 3,000, maybe 3010, something like that. So we're not too far off, and like most chartists and elite wave people, looking at this as being the end of a major end for the US stock market coming up soon. So just waiting patiently. It's grimly hanging on to this sort of rising wedge here, and just a recent consolidation pattern between 2860 odd and just above 2900, 2913 gives us probably at least another 50 points off here. So around about 29, next target about 2960, and just coming back to support here at the 2910 sort of level. So I'd be reluctant to sell it around here, always looking for the next the big sell-off, but this looks like a bit of a reversal on Friday, but not really a very big range. So yeah, so still being a bit cautious, but yeah, I think I'd rather still play it alongside, but cautiously. So that's the S&P. Obviously the Dow, Nasdaq, quite different looking charts, although have their own topping patterns probably coming up. So this stage just looking at the S&P anyway. Onto the Euro. I thought this was quite a good setup on the daily chart for a head and shoulders top, quite a big one, which I don't like the ones that are quite too big. Broke down, came back, and has gone above the neckline. Still grimly hanging on. I wouldn't like to see it go above this level here, which is around the 118.50 level. That for me would negate the downside. But at the moment, this looks like corrective, sort of an A, B, C sort of a pattern, maybe a little bit more, but I'd be looking for a topping pattern around here, around the 118 to 117 sort of level to sell, and then with a view to challenging those recent lows around 113. So just a matter of being patient a bit in a lot of these markets at the moment. Not very clear, but it wasn't a great close on the Euro, so yeah, really looking for a topping pattern around here. Some people will see this line here as a head and shoulders bottom. I am doubtful about that. This right shoulder is quite small in comparison to the left shoulder. It would need to do a lot more work around here for me, and then break up to be some sort of head and shoulders bottom. But anyway, we'll see how that one goes. Dollar yen. Daily chart broke out of this channel, typical of dollar yen, coming back inside the channel to sort of fake people out, and has gone away again. A bit of a consolidation pattern around here, which was a good buying point, but yeah, really needs to break above that 113.20 sort of level and to see gains, I think probably back up to 118, 120. So yeah, probably wait for a break of that, or another consolidation pattern for another buy, but not looking to sell that at the moment. Gold, still in a medium-term downtrend as far as I can see. I don't see any buy pattern, long-term buy pattern anyway. I'd certainly have a nibble on the buy side of it, above the sort of 12, about 12.15 spot gold. That might just be a sort of a ABC sort of pattern back up to 1240, something like that. But certainly no real technical charting real bottom around here. This is more of a consolidation pattern for just a short move. Aussie dollar, yeah, has potential here. It's come down a fair way, sort of a channel downward sloping wedge sort of thing. Did do a little head and shoulders bottom here, can't fault that one, so I did buy for a little bit there, but took profit at this trend line, so may come down a little bit further to around 72.20 to 25. Could be a buying point here, but certainly if it broke this line again, and particularly this recent high here around 73.03 to 5, would be a good place to go long. I think I would anyway. So that's about all there. And where else? What's we're looking at? Probably yeah, sterling. I'm not really too sure about the moment, so I'll leave that one. Bitcoin, I don't really trade Bitcoin. I have, I think, only once, just because of the big spreads. But there's a huge triangle going on here in Bitcoin, with the bottom around about 58.40 to 60.70, that sort of thing. You've got a downward sloping flat bottom triangle, which doesn't bode well if it breaks that. With a a really clear close below that, you could be looking at another 3,000.4 if that happens. Yeah, certainly if it goes above this trend line here, that would be reasonably positive. But with a downward sloping descending triangle, to get the technical term right, the odds are for a downward break. So if you trade those sort of things, just watch out for that one. So yeah, I think that's about all for today. So there's market charts, and signing off for now. And when there's something new to report, I'll post another one. So that's me. Yeah. So see you later.